everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make brownies. Now these are going to be made with carob, but you can very easily substitute chocolate instead of carob if you want them to be chocolate. And they've got some pecans in there, which you can always leave out if you have a nut allergy, and they're gooey and ooey and delicious. So let me show you how. We're going to start out by taking 2 teaspoons of psyllium husk and half a cup of water. And just mix those together and let it sit for a couple of minutes to thicken. Then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together. And then we're going to add a half a cup of brown rice flour, 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, 1/3 of a cup of carob powder, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And just mix that all together until it's nice and even. And then we're going to add in a half a cup of vegan butter, which has been melted. And mix that together. And finally, we're going to add in a half a cup of chopped pecans. You can always leave them out if you have a nut allergy. And mix that all together and then turn it into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish, which has been sprayed with oil. Shake it around so it's nice and even, and bake it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Next, we'll make the frosting by taking 3 tablespoons of coconut butter, which has been melted over low heat. Add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of carob powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. And then we're going to add in some vegan milk, just a little at a time, just a tablespoon at a time. So we'll start with a couple of tablespoons of vegan milk. Mix that up. And then we're going to add some more. And we just want to add a little bit at a time until we get a nice consistency. We want it to be pourable, but not too thin. So we don't want to go too far. So in this case, I'm adding 4 tablespoons to get the right consistency. And then we can turn off the heat and pour the frosting on top of our brownies. And you should do this while they're still warm. Don't let them cool when you do this, because this frosting will harden up pretty quickly. And just make sure that it's nice and evenly spread around by just tilting the pan. And then just let that cool and chill it for several hours until it's nice and firmed up. And then we can cut it into whatever size brownies we want. And they're ready to eat. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.